हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मैं निवेश कुमार दास। इस वीडियो में इंटीग्रेशन, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन जनवरी 27 2024 शिफ्ट 2 में ये जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया दैट इज़ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन है। सो द इंटीग्रेशन इज़ 0 to पाई डी एक्स बाई 1 माइनस 2a कॉस एक्स प्लस ए स्क्वायर। सो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का क्या तरीका होगा? सो हियर वी हैव द इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? 0 to पाई एंड डी एक्स बाई हियर वी हैव 1 माइनस 2a cos x प्लस ए स्क्वायर, राइट? दिस इज़ द इंटीग्रेशन। एंड यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी जो यूज़ होना है सबसे पहले वो है प्रॉपर्टी क्या? 0 to a to b f x dx is what here? That is equal to a to b f a plus b minus x. This property we will apply here. So here 0 to pi, so 0 plus pi minus x, so pi minus x. So we will replace this here, x by 0 to pi dx by 1 minus 2a cos what? Pi minus x plus a square. So cos pi minus x is what? Minus cos x. So this becomes what? 0 to pi, this is dx divided by what? 1 minus 2a minus cos pi minus x is minus cos x, so this is what? Plus cos x plus a square. So I just assume this one is first, इसको first में मान लेता हूँ, this is second, this is also I, so we will add this two, right? So we will add this to first and second. अगर मैं first और second को add कर दूँ, so this is what here? I plus I, so that is what? 2i. I plus I, that is 2i. Okay, so equal to what here? ये हमारा क्या हो गया? Equal to में 0 to 2 pi, right? 0 to pi and here we have adding, when we add this, so हमारे पास क्या बच जाएगा? 1 by 1 minus 2a cos x, 1 minus 2a cos x plus a square, and then plus what? 1 by 1 minus 1 plus 2a cos x plus a square dx. Okay, so what I do here is we'll take the LCM. So जब मैं LCM लेता हूँ यहाँ पे 0 से pi, so this is what here? 1 plus 2a cos x, 1 plus 2a cos x plus a square plus what? 1 minus 2a cos x, 1 minus 2a cos x plus a square डिवाइडेड बाई व्हाट? हम यहाँ पे क्या अप्लाई करेंगे? यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी यूज़ होगा 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट? ए. सो 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर का आइडेंटिटी यूज़ होगा, एंड माइनस 2a cos x द होल स्क्वायर, 2a cos x द होल स्क्वायर एंड dx. सो यहाँ पे 2a cos x मतलब माइनस का एंड 2a cos x माइनस का प्लस का कैंसिल हो गया, and this is what? 2i. Okay, so this is 0 to pi, here 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, and a square plus a square, that is 2a square, so I take 2 common, so 1 plus a square, right? 1 plus a square, and this is what here? 1 plus a square the whole square, 1 plus a square the whole square, and minus what here? 4a square cos square x dx, 4a square cos square x dx, right? So now this is 2y, this is what? 2i, so 2 and 2 get cancel, right? So इस पार्ट में अब हमें कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ करना है? द प्रॉपर्टी दैट वी विल यूज़ हियर इज 0 to pi is here, so integration 0 to here 2a, right? 2a fx dx. Okay, fx dx. So what I can do here is dx is, this is 2 times 0 to a fx dx when f2a minus x is fx, right? f2a minus fx is 2x. so अगर मैं यहाँ पे x की जगह पे 2a minus x, that is pi minus x निकालूँ, so cos pi minus x is what? Cos x, right? and whole square is also what here? Cos whole square, that will become what? Positive, right? Positive. So fx, just I let this be, fx is what? fx क्या है हमारा? fx जो है वो है 1 plus a square, that I can take common. Okay, 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर को कॉमन ले लूँ तो एफ एक्स को मैं ऐसे मान लूँ कि एफ एक्स जो है वो हमारा क्या है 1/1 माइनस व्हाट इज़ दिस 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4a square cos square x. So what we are going to prove this pi minus 2a minus x. So pi minus x, so this is what 1 by 1 plus a square, 1 plus a square whole square minus 4a square. Here is what cos square x. So cos pi minus x, this is whole square. So the same result we get here. This is what 1 by 1 plus a square whole square minus what 4a square. This is what even cos square x. So this is nothing but the fx. So this is nothing but the fx. So f2a minus x is fx. So we can write this integration as 2 times. So this integration can be written as 2 times, right? 2 times 1 plus a square I take outside, 1 plus a square I have taken outside. So this is 2 times, right? 2 times 0 to pi by 2 now, 0 to pi by 2, and dx by what we have here, dx by 1 plus a square the whole square, 1 plus a square the whole square, right, minus 4a square cos square x, now what we will do here is मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा cos square x को common ले लूँ. So this is what 0 to pi by 2. If we take cos square x common, so this will go up and so that will be sec square x dx, and this is what here 1 plus a square the whole square, 1 plus a square the whole square divided by cos square x. So that becomes sec square x into, right here, sec square x minus 4a square. Now I will write sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. So I write here I, this is what here, I equal to 2 times 1 plus a square, and this is what 0 to pi by 2, and now I write this as sec square x dx, and denominator what we have here 1 plus a square the whole square sec square x. We are writing sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. So this is 1 plus a square the whole square, and plus 1 plus a square whole square into what tan square x, minus what minus 4a square, right? So 1 plus a the whole square, 1 plus a square the whole square minus 4a square. This two result combine, so we can write this as 2 times, this is 2 times 1 plus a square, 0 to pi by 2, and this is what sec square x, dx, so I take here, so I can write this as 1 minus a square, the whole square. So I combine these two results. So 1 minus a square the whole square plus 1 plus a square the whole square, tan square x, Now even what I do here is I take 1 plus a square the whole square common, right? So then we can write this as 1 plus, this is what a square, this is what 0 to pi by 2, and this is sec square x, this is what sec square x dx, and divided by what I take here the 1 plus a square whole square common, right? So this is what here 1 minus a square, by 1 plus a square the whole square, right? This is what whole square, right? And plus tan square x, right? And so I can just cancel this one of this value, right? So now I will put here, the tan x as t, so this is what sec square x, dx is dt, so what I can write here then 2 by 1 plus a square, and also we will change the limit when x is 0, so tan 0 is 0, 1 pi by 2, so it is infinity. So I write this limit as 0 to infinity, this is 0 to infinity, this is dt divided by what 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, the whole square, and plus what t square. Now I will use the integration formula, that is what here I equal to what here, I equal to 2 by 1 plus a square, and the integration of this one is 1 by a. So 1 by a is basically 1 minus a square, 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, right, 1 plus a square, and this is what tan inverse x by a. So x is your t divided by 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, 1 plus a square. Okay, and what is the limit? 0 to infinity. So I just apply here the 0 to infinity, right. So this result is get cancel out, right. So this is what 2 by, this is 2 by 1 minus a square. So applying the limit here, upper limit, so tan inverse infinity, tan inverse infinity, and when 0 it is tan inverse 0. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, so 2 by 1 minus a square, this is what pi by 2, tan inverse 0 is 0. So this is cancel out, so the final result is pi by 1 minus a square. So if you see the option, so the correct option is option C, pi by 1 minus a square. Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.